Okay, let's learn more about text wrapping. This is the thing that is called that you want to do right now. So what we want in this case is that we want to put this circular picture just like that, just right here, and we want to wrap it around the picture. So how we can actually do this? It's very simple. By having the picture frame selected, all you need to do is go to the top menu, like constant menu that you have, and you have show text wrap settings. You're going to press this and choose the wrap style that you want. However you want your text to be wrapped around the picture. None, it means that it will not wrap. You will press jump, it means that it will skip entire space of the picture frame and continue, well, anywhere outside. Square will actually make it square around it. It's not, as you can see, if I will move it, it will actually fill out the space all around it, not just on the right side, on the left side. Tight, it will use any available space it has. Inside, it will actually continue text inside the text, but we don't want this. Edge is exactly the same thing. It will actually continue the text inside as well. But let's choose tight in our case. And you can actually change some additional stuff here as well. So what I want in this case is that I don't want any text to be near from the left. I'm going to increase the distance from the left because I don't want any text to be from the left. I can go and increase the distance. Let's go and do 100 just like that. Oh, 109. Well, let's have it 109. And as you can see from the left, all the text is gone, and it's like the book, it's more visible just like that. If I will do it in the middle, as you can see, it just skipped the space from here and just jumped on the different spot. It's as simple as that. It's very simple to do text wrapping. If you don't want anything to be that tight from the top and bottom as well, you can do exactly the same thing from the top and bottom. I don't want the text from the top a bit, and let's get the text from the bottom as well. You know what? No, in this case, I want the text on the bottom just like that, so it would look a bit better. And as you can see, it wraps thing perfectly. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is just use text wrap tool, and it will just make it as beautiful as you want. It's a very easy tool to use and very easy to understand. Now let's use any other shape if you want. It's not gonna be a problem. Let's use the square shape just like that. I'm gonna move this one just a bit. I'm gonna have it in this corner just like that, in the corner. And let's put any picture inside. Let's go to the stock and go and put this picture inside. And we need to set up now text wrapping for this text as well. Let's increase it in size a bit and go to text wrapping, and let's go to the tight. And as you can see, the text just jumped there and continued in this side. Very simple. And as you can see, even though we just randomly dropped a few pictures inside the text, it actually made it look way better than it was. It looks way better than it was. You can actually delete this and see like where the text frames actually are. It's very beautiful, very simple, and very cool thing to have. And I always suggest you to do like inline pictures just like that instead of doing something like, let me just show you, like something like jump like that, because it does not look that good. Like this tight text looks way better, and you can play with it, play with the size of the frame if you want the bigger. Let me just do this one and make it bigger, smaller, however you want. You can play around with it however you want. It will just make it look as good as you want to make it look. Well, this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one then.